Hey everyone, Kimberly here. And guess what? I just did something pretty wild. For literally years, I've been fascinated by AI, talking about it, explaining it, but actually building something with it, that always felt like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops. Until now. Today, I'm going to show you how I built my very first functional AI app in just one day. Yes, you heard that right. 24 hours. And I did it all using this incredible, game-changing tool called Nano Pro. If you've ever thought AI app development was too complex, too much coding, too intimidating, you need to watch this. This is a complete beginner's journey, and trust me, if I can do it, you absolutely can too. So why did I decide to embark on this crazy 24-hour AI app building challenge? Well, like many of you, I've seen the explosion of AI, ChatGPT, Midjourney, all these incredible tools. But I always felt like there was a huge barrier to entry for creating something truly custom, something that solves a specific problem I had without needing a computer science degree. I've always wanted to build a simple AI tool, maybe something that helps me with content ideas, or summarizes long articles, or even just a fun little chatbot. The problem was, every time I looked into it, it felt overwhelming. Python, frameworks, libraries, my brain just went, nope. But then I stumbled upon Nano Pro, and it promised to change all of that. It claimed to make AI app development accessible to everyone. And naturally, being Kimberly Quinn AI, I had to put it to the test. So, what is Nano Pro? Think of it as your super friendly, super powerful assistant for building AI applications fast. It's essentially a low-code, no-code AI platform that abstracts away all the really complicated stuff, allowing you to focus on the idea and the logic of your app rather than getting bogged down in syntax and debugging. It has a really intuitive drag-and-drop interface, pre-built AI modules for things like natural language processing, image recognition, data analysis, and so much more. It's designed for speed and simplicity, perfect for beginners, but also powerful enough for seasoned developers to prototype ideas quickly. And that's why I chose it for my Build an AI App in a Day challenge. I wanted to see if it truly delivered on its promise of democratizing AI development. Okay, so for my first AI app, I wanted to build something genuinely useful for me. As someone who creates a lot of content, I often struggle with coming up with catchy, SEO-friendly video titles and descriptions. I also wanted something that could quickly extract key themes from transcripts. So my app idea was this: an AI content helper that can generate video title ideas, draft YouTube descriptions, and summarize long text. Simple, right? But incredibly powerful if it works. This is where Nano Pro came in. All right, let's dive into how I actually built this thing. I started by logging into Nano Pro. The dashboard is super clean. Step 1, setting up the project. I created a new project. Step 2, drag and drop magic. This is where the fun begins. I needed a text input field for users to paste their video idea or script. So, I just dragged and dropped a text input component onto my canvas. Step 3, connecting to AI models. Nano Pro has pre-built AI blocks. For title generation and summarization, I used their language model block. I dragged it over, connected my text input to it, and then configured it. And that was pretty much it. In a few hours, I had the basic structure. Okay, the moment of truth. Let me show you my fully functional Kimberly's Content AI helper app. Video title generation. Let's say I'm making a video about sustainable gardening. I'll type that in here. And boom! Look at these title ideas. These are fantastic. YouTube description draft. Clicks button. And wow, it's drafting a description for me, highlighting key points, and even suggesting hashtags. Imagine using this for research or just catching up on long emails. Honestly, seeing this app work, something I built in such a short amount of time, it's incredibly empowering. Nano Banana Pro truly made complex AI accessible. So, who exactly is Nano Banana Pro for? Content creators. Like me, for generating ideas, drafting descriptions, summarizing research. Small business owners. Want to automate customer support with a simple chatbot? Analyze market trends? This could be your tool. Students. Need to quickly prototype an AI project for a class without getting bogged down in code? Perfect. Beginners curious about AI. If you've always wanted to dip your toes into building AI but felt intimidated, this is your golden ticket. Even seasoned developers for rapid prototyping and testing new AI ideas without starting from scratch. My key takeaways from this challenge are: AI app building is no longer just for coders. Tools like Nano Banana Pro are truly democratizing it. You can solve real problems with simple AI apps. My content helper is a testament to that. Speed and iteration are king. Being able to build and test an idea in a day is incredibly powerful for innovation. The future of AI is hands-on for everyone. This isn't just about using AI, it's about creating with AI. This is just the beginning. Now that I know how easy it is, I'm already thinking about my next AI app project. Maybe something that helps me translate languages in real time for global content, or an AI that curates trending topics for my niche. The possibilities are endless. If you're interested in checking out Nano Banana Pro for yourself, I'll put a link in the description below. Seriously, give it a try if you've ever dreamed of building your own AI tool. And now, I want to hear from you. What kind of AI app would you build if you knew you could do it in a day? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found this video inspiring or helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next AI adventure. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. This journey of building my first AI app with Nano Banana Pro was genuinely exciting, and I hope it showed you that AI creation is within reach for all of us. The future is AI powered, and it's built by people like you and me. Stay curious, keep learning.